Good morning, students. This is Nisha here, your math teacher. Today I will deliver my lecture on chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. So first we will start with introduction part. As the name suggests, linear equation in two variables. So first of all, we should know what is linear equation. A linear equation is the one that has degree 1, whose degree is 1 is called the linear equation. Suppose I am writing the equation 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the power of x is the 1, it means degree is 1. This is the linear equation. Suppose again I am writing 2x square plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the power of the variable is 2, it means the degree is not 1, so this is not the linear equation. So linear equation, I hope, is clear to all. Next, this is the linear equation but in one variable. Here variable is only 1. I hope you know the difference between the constant and the variable. I will repeat it. So constant are those terms whose values cannot change. Constant is those terms like we are writing 2, 3, 4, and variables whose values keep on changing, like for x. First the value is 2. In another equation the value of x is 3. Value of x is 4. So value of x is changing as the expression changes. So this is called the variable. Now I have written a equation there, that is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation in one variable. But in this chapter we will cover the linear equations in two variables. Right? So in two variables the linear equation will be like that. For example, 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. Here the variables are 2. X and y are the variables in this equation. So any equation of this type having two variables but the degree of the variables is 1, that is called the linear equation in two variable. So we will solve some questions based upon this, and also the questions are from exercise 4.1. So in the very first question we have the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. We have given cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Right? So here we are having two objects. One is notebook and one is pen. So for this we will assume that let the cost of notebook is x and the cost of pen is y. This thing we have assumed. Let the cost of the notebook is x and the let cost of pen is y. Now again we will read the question. The cost of a notebook, which is x, is twice the cost of pen. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. We have to write the linear equation. So this is the linear equation in two variable, or we can also write it as x 2y minus 2y is equal to 0, because 2y on the right hand side, when it comes to the left hand side it will become as minus. X minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the first question. In the second question, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We are having some linear equations in two variables, and we have to represent all of these equations in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and also we have to find the values of a, b and c in each case. Let us take, I am taking the third part. In the third part, we are having minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. First, we will write this equation in this form. If we compare these two equations, in the first equation, all the variables are on the left hand side, and on the right hand side there is 0. So first we will convert this equation just like that. In this, two variables are already on the left side, and we will now take third one also on the left side. Now start comparing. Here is ax and here is minus 2x. It means in place of a we are having minus 2. It means a is equal to minus 2. Next, by and here is 3y. In place of b we are having 3. It means b is equal to 3. Here is c, and in place of c there is minus 6. Don't forget to take minus also. This should go along with the 6. So c is equal to minus 6. This we represent the equation in this form, and here are the values of a, b and c. Now I am taking the another part. Suppose I am taking sixth part, that is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we have to represent ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So already all the variables are on the left side along with constant term, and on the right hand side there is 0. So there is no need to do the first step. Now the second step is comparing. So start comparing. 3x with ax, upon comparing we get a is equal to 3, and by, for this there is no term of by, so b is equal to 0, or we can write this equation as in this form: 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Because as to represent this in this equation there is by, so we write here as 0y, because in this equation there is no y, there is no term of variable y, so b will be 0 and c will be 2. This is how we will do all the questions of exercise 4.1. So I hope you will do it now.